we have helped you to take out. The screw is different size for a rambler, right? Then you swing this there, and there's another screw underneath the base, underneath to open it up, right? Then you can take out the whole thing, open up this screw, take out the whole thing. You can take out the other magnet. So it look like this. Go ahead.
Sige, bubarin mo yan. Bubarin na. Bubarin na. Take them off. Everything. Okay na, alis ka lang. Sa ilalim niya, nandun ngayon yung screw. Sa ilalim. May napupulong. Meron na. Yan, tatanggal rin. Wala nang magnet eh. Ha? Wala nang magnet. Meron pa? Hindi matanggal. Naninigas ko tong kamay ko eh. Ano? Naninigas tong kamay ko sa limig. Sis! Huwag mo that headpiece.
Okay, all of you, most of you have opened already. Okay.
Magnet.
So what do we have? We have the head stack assembly. Okay. We have the slider and the head here. Then followed by the suspension. Then you call the attenuator. Then you call the pivot is where you swing. Right. Then the voice coil will move it left, right. Then you have the flex circuit, flexible circuit, and the connector. Okay. So what do you have? You have underneath the connector, that's the preamp chip, amplify the read signal. Then you see the 4 wire lines. Okay. 2 for the read, 2 for the write. Okay. Then you see the small black dot. If you can notice, see this small black dot is the read write head. Okay. Read write head on the slider. This slider is a very soft suspension. Okay. So I'll talk more on the read write head. Read-write head is a wafer process, right? It's a 16 wafer silicon process. So one 16 wafer can produce about 20K heads. It's very small. This is a picture compared to a set, a die, right? So it's a magnetic transition. The head or the transition will convert the electrical pulse to magnetic transition and vice versa. The media store the magnetic transition. Okay. So how does it work? Okay. So this is a typical head design. You have 2 portions, the read portion and the write portion. The head is only from the black dot that you see is only one very small portion on top. Okay. So you have 4 signal line, read, write signal, okay? So how does it work? How does it write? Okay, the write is this part. So the write will create a magnetic field, north-south field here, right? So you change the transition bits on the media as it moves. The media moves, so you will change the bits, change the transition, okay? This will determine 1 or 0, see 1, 0, 1, right? The data. Okay, this is for writing. For reading is also simpler process. Is the magnetic, is a wire coil here, which sweeps on top of the media for the transition north, south, south, south. Detect the transition to determine 1 or 0 the data. Okay. So this is a small